Alright, what's up guys, this is Castro here, and today in the mail when I got home was my Airsoft GI Custom MK18. So it weighed in about 7 pounds, so hopefully this is going, so here we go. Got my Husky. I waited about a week and about 3 to 4 days because the UPS doesn't ship on Saturday and Sunday. All this packaging. Here's my 2, 3 little pamphlets. Receipt. Some other thing. Here's the gun itself. I had to rip that off. That has my information on it. This out of here. So here it is, my Airsoft GI Defender 2, Version 2. It's this way. Nope, I had it right. Alright. So here's the gun. It has Dale Defense 9-inch rails with a 10.3 barrel. Crane stock, collapsible strings. Crane stock. Regular connectors. So far, it's really light. I would expect it would have been front heavy, but it's actually really good. So I'm getting a nice thumb overboard. The magazine it came with was a high cap, like usual. It is low back, so I don't know if that works now, but it has Infidel and Arabian, I think it says it. So so far so good. So I'll keep you guys on updates with this. My name's Castro, and see you guys later.